Good morning, Maui. Looking at our high pressure, we have a nice battle between this surface analysis, and this low. It's a nice 50-50 split. Wind spinning around on a 1031. The wind map, you can see that this high pressure is sending us in some winds. Should be fairly east-northeast again, I think, today, just the way that thing is wrapping, and that low pressure is kind of dissolved. But it does have a really cool looking elbow right here and all the south winds. Current humidity is about 81 and temperature is around 72. See, we are getting into that boundary level of the front, giving us a little extra moisture. Might get a few little clouds, but it doesn't look like it's supposed to be rainy. South swell, it's 3.3, 14 seconds out of the south-southeast. Yesterday I saw some footage, looked like it was pretty fun. Should be nice head high. True wave height 3.0, so it's not too bad. Looking at our north shore, we have a little bit of east swell reading, and we do have still a leftover north bump. Is showing about the same as the south side, 13 seconds, 3 foot. So either way, choose your little waves. It's going to be super low around 10 a.m. and jumping into a giant high tide by 6 p.m. Winds on the crater are 7 out of the east-southeast. When we look at our big island sounding, we follow diabatic line all the way to 4,000 feet, get our first hiccup, and then re-continue that line. There's always chances of clouding in early on days like these. Looking at Kauai, again, we see a great diabatic line all the way up to 4,000 feet, and then it gets confused. So, 4,000 feet may be cloud base again today. Great for the L, but not as good for Poli. Across the island are light this morning, going southeast at 4 Kahalui, almost offshore at 1 in Oahu. The big blue, again, we have that high pressure in this clear, low in the white clouds, a nice split of the Pacific. Nice to get convection winds the last few days. We still have a light east forecast with a little bit of swell. Looks like it should get bigger, but we'll have to keep our eye on that buoy. And hopefully we get some L days for the weekend. The earthquake was a 5.3 about 18 hours ago. Here's some amazing footage I saw yesterday of the lava flow on the Big Island. If there's ever a time to get hit by giant chunks of rock, you would think these guys would be in it. Cause dang. Speaking of lava flows, a nice look at our sun with this active region coming earth facing. And a nice whip down below. Guys, have a great day. My plans, don't really know. Small for the waves, funky for the flying. Don't know. Alright guys, have fun.